From the Library of Congress in Washington, D.C.
Good afternoon. I'm Theodosia Austin, the Public Events Coordinator for the American Folklife Center here at the Library of Congress. And on behalf of the entire staff, welcome to the 5th concert in the 2013 Homegrown Music of America concert series. We bring you the best of traditional music dance from across the country. And to do that, we work with very talented state folklorists and public sector folklorists to identify, search the regions, and identify the very best artists that we can and bring them here to you. The Folklife Center works collaboratively with the Millennium Stage at the Kennedy Center to sponsor all of these artists. So the performers come here to the library and then we'll be at the Kennedy Center. This group will be there tonight at 6 o'clock if you want to catch them again, or if you know people that you think would enjoy the presentation there as well. I wanted to let you know that this concert will be webcast, and the content will go into our permanent collections at the library. So this is a good time to turn off your cell phones. Otherwise, they will also be memorialized forever on the library's website. Today we have a very special group of dancers from Bethesda called Kalanidhi Dance. They're directed by Anuradha Nehru. She'll be presenting information about each dance throughout the performance. You'll hear her voice blended seamlessly into the music for each piece. But we have a very special guest to introduce the group. His name is Dharan Sitaran. He's the counselor for Press and Information and Culture at the Embassy of India. So please join me in welcoming Dharan.
Thank you, Thea. Good afternoon to all of you. I have the pleasant job of introducing this team. I intend to do it briefly by touching upon who they are, what they are doing, and what we are supposed to do. Who they are is very simple, thanks to friend Anuradha Nehru, who is the director of the Kalanidhi. She fed me fully. I may not do justice, but briefly I'll touch it. Kalanidhi, if you know the Indian language, means a treasure, art treasure. Kala means art, Nidhi means treasure or wealth. So this is basically about, like all the important treasures in life, this is also a treasure that is worth having, which becomes more when you share. Other treasures are okay, but most of the important treasures we have in life become more when you share. And so they are sharing art with all of us. And Anuradha is a Sishya, or the student, disciple of one of the greatest doyens of Indian dance, Kuchipudi dance. And Chinna Satyam Vembati Chinna Satyam is a well-known figure in Indian dance, and she is a direct disciple. And she has been teaching Kuchipudi for the last, from 1992 onward, she has been teaching and performing at various countries. And she has started this school here so that the kids can learn that. And the company, as a company, they are, from 2005, they are operating here. Like any of the, I've been doing this introduction of Indian cultural organizations in Beijing, Hong Kong, Fiji Islands, wherever I work as a diplomat, I've been doing. What touches me is that the dedication that these kids put into this. Even back in India, you may have to drag people there. But here, people are so dedicated about the whole thing, and the whole thing has a pithy nature to it. That the teacher, in Indian tradition, as you know, the guru sishya, the teacher and student relationship is one of the most important relationship. I see that wherever I go, that tone of relationship is still maintained wherever they go. Now coming to what they do, briefly, I'm sure Anu will do the more elaborate thing on this. Kuchipudi is actually a village very, very tiny village. Even if you take Indian map, you can't really find it. It's a tiny village close to the Bay of Bengal in Andhra Pradesh, and that is where this dance form emanated. People say from 5th century, 6th century, 7th century, but beyond 1000 it doesn't matter. It's really, really classical dance form, one of the 8 forms that we have. And it has grown mainly as a male dance. The male dancers used to dress as females, and they used to dance it. Initially at the folk level, and then at the festival level, and later it became a very classical form, and institutions have started emerging. And why I mention this is, when you see this, you will see it has more power in action than the normal Indian dances, because it was conceived for a male in mind. At the same time, since they used to dress like female, there will be slightly accentuated femininity added to it. So this strange combination of power and this accentuated gracefulness makes it very special. And they have been performing they have been to India in 2007 for one of the very important dance festival. And they have performed in Singapore, they have performed in Jakarta, and this team has performed, of course, in US in so many places, including Kennedy Center. What interests me is that Anuradha is not restricting to just the classical form. They have interacted with French opera, right? They contribute to French opera in bringing this cultural combination between this and that. So this is very exciting. And I just briefly saw the 5 beautiful, cute young dancers waiting for you. I don't want to stand in between. But let me just touch upon what I said, that who they are, what they do. A third one, I said that what we are supposed to do. You know, we come for a dance and we can easily see it as a dance, but just to think of it, if they're going to do this is called a deer, right? And if they do this is a parrot. And this was conceived in 5th century AD. And this has been coming along over the centuries from generation after generation. And this is one of the 8 classical dances. And we have hundreds of dance forms in India. And these are performed all over the world every day by hundreds and millions of people. So when it's raining, you go out and extend your hand, and there are a few drops on your hand. What you are experiencing is not a few drops. You are experiencing a magnificent rain, and you are experiencing to the capacity that we can, what our hands can take it. And that is how I see these performances. These are very small in nature, a few hundred people or so, but they are a harmony, a part of the harmony that's happening all over the world. We are very happy from the Indian Embassy to collaborate with Kalanidhi on various things, and we want to continue it. With the Library of Congress, in this area also, we want to continue a lot of collaboration. So I'm also no less eager to watch this program, and I wish them best. Thank you.
In Hindu philosophy, as creation began, the divine, all-encompassing consciousness took the form of the first vibration, manifesting as the sound Om. Om embraces all that exists. It is an omnipresent reflection of absolute reality. In the first dance of this program, the dancers are inspired by Lord Ganesha, the manifestation of Om. Ganesha is the unsurpassed, the faultless provider. The dancers' movements to the rhythmic beats and musical syllables in the song Ananda Nartana Ganapatam reflect Ganesha's joy. Ananda Nartana Ganapatam will be performed by Ramya Durvasula and Pragnya Tamire.
Tam takita tatajam tajam tajam तजं तदां तकीट 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 तजं tam ta tam ta kina jam ta ka dina tam ta jam ta tanam tam ta kina jam ta ka dina tam ta jam ta tanam ta tarum ta tam ta kina jam ta ka dina tam ta jam ta tanam ta tarum ta kina jam ta ka dina tam ta jam ta tanam ta tarum ta ka dina ta kadina tatang takadina tatang takadina tatang tatang tatadin tatadon tatadin kina tonga din kina tonga din kina tonga napatim bagaye tatang tatding tatdong tatdin kina tonga din kina tonga din kina tonga tanaga napatim bagaye tatang tatding tatdong tatdin सदानन्दनर्तन गणपतिं भावये परमानन्दनर्तन गणपतिं भावये चिदाकारमूलाधार ओंकार गजवदनं परमं 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 परमानन्दनर्तन गणपतिं भावये गजवदनं परमं परमानन्दनर्तन गणपतिं भावये सानन्दमुनीन्द्रगणनुत शिवशङ्करि मानस विलीनमानं सानन्दमुनीन्द्रगणनुत शिवशङ्करि मानस विलीनमानं सानन्दमुनीन्द्रगणनुत शिवशङ्करि मानस विलीनमानं सानन्दमुनीन्द्रगणनुत शिवशङ्करि मानस विलीनमानं तन्त्रीलय समन्वित गन्धर्वचारणवरानुगेयमानं तन्त्रीलय समन्वित गन्धर्वचारणवरानुगेयमानं सानन्दमुनीन्द्रगणनुत शिवशङ्करि मानस विलीनमानं तन्त्रीलय समन्वित गन्धर्वचारणवरानुगेयमानं दीनजनमन्दारम् अनुपम दिव्यगणेवर शोभायमानं दीनजनमन्दारम् अनुपम दिव्यगणेवर शोभायमानं भासमानम् असमानं भजमानं भक्तजनसम्मानं भासमानम् असमानं भजमानं भक्तजनसम्मानं दीनजनमन्दारम् अनुपम दिव्यगणेवर शोभायमानं भासमानम् असमानं भजमानं भक्तजनसम्मानं कामगमारि सजनि सरि तकतण कुकिण कुकिट तळंगु तकपि भमगमरि सजनि सरि तकतण कुकिण कुकिट तळंगु तकधीनु तधीनु तधी तजं तरितां तकतणं तणतरिते तजं तरितां तकतणं तणतरिते तां तजं तरितां तकतनं तणतरिते
तां तजं तरितां तकतजं तणतरिते
तां तणं तरितां तकतनं तणतरिते तां तजं तरितां तकतनं तणतरिते तां तजं तरितां तकतनं तणतरिते तां तजं तरितनं तणतरितां तजं तरितनं तणतरि तां तजं तरितनं तणतरि तरि 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 धन 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 जनु 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 धिमि 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 दिवि पतिनुदं पद सरसिजं मग पमनि प मरकधनिभं मदकरिमुदं प्रणवनिनदं अजितं ननघं सुगतं फलदं कनकाम्बरधरणं एकरदनम् अजितं ननघं सुगतं फलदं कनकाम्बरधरणम् एकरदनं तकतजं तणतरिते तकतजं तणतरि तकतजं तणतरिता तकतजं तणतरिते तकतजं तणतरि तकतजं तणतरिते तकतजं तणतरिते तकतजं तणतरि तकतजं तणत परमानन्दनर्तन गणपतिं भावये चिदाकारमूलाधार ओंकार गजवदनं परमं परमानन्दनर्तन गणपतिं भावये चिदाकारमूलाधार ओंकार गजवदनं परमं परमानन्दनर्तन गणपतिं भावये
Lord Shiva is the god of dance. In Hindu mythology, when Lord Shiva beat a hand drum, the world heard its first rhythm. As he moved his body in time with its beat, the universe came into being. For this reason, Indian dancers conceive of classical dance as the highest form of worship and dedicate themselves to Lord Shiva as the dancing Nataraj, the supreme symbol of cosmic energy. In our next dance, Shivastuti, we present two distinct halves composed to a poem and a song. The dance begins with a poem which describes Shiva as the three-eyed god. With four hands, the embodiment of peace, whose body glows like the early morning rays of the sun, the one blessed with a smiling face, who holds the river goddess Ganga in his hair, who destroys all evil, whose right leg is held in the beautiful Kunchitam position, while his left leg is lifted high above the ground. In his first hand, he holds a trident. In his second hand, a kettle drum. His third hand is held elegantly in Dola Hasta, and his fourth hand holds a vessel containing fire. On his left ear, he wears a moon-shaped earring, and on his right ear, a earring made of a crocodile skin. Adorned with snakes on his chest, his whole body is smeared with ashes. To such a Lord Shiva, the epitome of knowledge, we offer our humble prayers. The second half of the dance continues with a song that describes the power of Lord Shiva. He is accompanied by a celestial orchestra comprised of Lord Vishnu on the drums, Lord Indra on the flute, Lord Brahma on the cymbals, and Goddess Saraswati on the veena, as the sages and celestial dancers watch this performance in awe and wonder. Shivastuti, performed by Supraja Chitari, Ramya Durvasula, Pragnya Tamire, Ankita Durvasula, and Deviga Valiyal.
त्रिनेत्रम् चतुर्भुजम् शान्तम् रक्तवर्णम् स्मिताननम् गारुडम् पदपत्रं च दुर्दूरं चादि पुष्पकम् गंगा चंद्र समायुक्तम् अपस्मार परिस्थितम् दक्षिणं कुञ्चितपदं वामपादं च समुद्रुतम् सौव्यन्तु शूलमभये अन्ये डमरुकं तथा वामहस्त అగ్ని పాత్రకు వామకన్నే ఇందు పత్రం చే దక్షిణే నగ్రకుండలం అభయే ఫణిసంయుక్తం సర్వాంగే భస్మధారిణం ఏవం నటేశ మధ్యంతం జ్ఞాన మంత్రేణ పూజయే ఏవం నటేశ మధ్యంతం జ్ఞాన మంత్రేణ పూజయే ఏవం నటేశ మధ్యంతం జ్ఞాన మంత్రేణ పూజయే
డింగ్ కుత కుతక డింగ్ కుత కుతక డింగ్ కుత కుడింగ్ కుత కుతక దరకిటక డింగ్ కుత కుతక డింగ్ కుత కుతక డింగ్ కుత కుడింగ్ కుత కుతక దరకిటక డింగ్ కుత కుతక తరికిటక జం తరికిటక డింగ్ కుత కుతక తరికిటక జం తరికిటక జం తరికిటక తరికిటక తరికిటతం తరికిటక జం తరికిటక తరికిటతం 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 తరికిటక డింగ్ తరికిటక దిం తరికిటక
శివుడు తాండవమాడెను
తరికిటతం
శివుడు తాండవమాడెను 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 జగదంబ సహితముగ శివుడు తాండవమాడెను జగదంబ సహితముగ శివుడు తాండవమాడే అవిరళముగ జగదంబ సహితముగ శివుడు తాండవమాడే అవిరళముగ జగదంబ సహితముగ శివుడు తాండవమాడెను శౌరి మృదంగము మ్రోగింప శౌరి మృదంగము పాకారి వేణువును పూరింప శౌరి మృదంగము పాకారి వేణువును పూరింప పారిజాసనుడు తాళము గటింప
తం తత్వం తత్వం తద్దిగ్గిణతం
పారిజాసనుడు తాళము గటింప భారతి విపంచి వాయింప హరిజాసనుడు తాళము గటింప భారతి విపంచి వాయింప క్షీరవారాసి తనయ క్షీరవారాసి తనయ పాడ అప్సరలు క్రమల విన్యాసము చూడ నారదాది ముని వరులు తిలకింప పారవశమున జగతి పులగింప నారదాది ముని వరులు తిలకింప పారవశమున జగతి పులగింప శివుడు తాండవమాడెను జగదంబ సహితముగ శివుడు తాండవమాడే అవిరళముగ జగదంబ సహితముగ శివుడు తాండవమాడే అవిరళముగ జగదంబ సహితముగ శివుడు తాండవమాడెను 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 తాండవమాడెను
The next dance that we present to you has been composed to the song Alokaye Sri Balakrishnan, taken from a Sanskrit opera on Krishna called Sri Krishna Leela Tarangini. Each song taken from this opera constitutes a chapter or a tarangini, and the dance composed to it is called a tarangam. A tarangam typically forms the centerpiece in a Kuchipudi dance concert, as it incorporates all three elements of Indian dance: Nritta or pure dance, Nritya or narrative, and Natya or mime. It characteristically ends with the dancer standing on the rim of a brass plate while they move to complex rhythmic beats. Krishna, one of our most lovable and endearing gods, is often portrayed as child Krishna, capable of performing superhuman pastimes such as lifting mountains with his little finger. Today, the dancers tell the story of how the young Krishna dares to attack the venomous and mighty serpent Kaliya. A cowherd boy, young Krishna, is often seen playing with his friends as they take their cows to green pastures. In the nearby Yamuna river lived the fearsome Kaliya. One day, Krishna leads his cows to the river to escape the summer heat. Krishna plays his flute, a favorite pastime of his, before he notices that his beloved cows have died. Aghast, he suspects the purity of the waters from which the cows have drunk and discovers that they have been poisoned. He finds the source of the poison to be none other than Kaliya, the deadly serpent. Krishna dives into the river and taunts Kaliya. Kaliya attacks Krishna, and a fierce battle ensues. Krishna emerges victorious and dances joyfully on Kaliya's head. Alokaye Sri Balakrishnan, performed by Supraja Chitari, Ramya Durvasula, and Pragnya Tamire.
श्री नंदगोप तनयाखिल विश्वमूर्ते श्रीमत्पयोधि तनयाधव कृष्णमूर्ते आनन्दाखिल जगन्निधान मीनांककोटि सम सुंदर शुद्ध कीर्ते मीनांककोटि सम सुंदर शुद्ध कीर्ते आलोकये श्री बालकृष्णं आलोकये श्री बालकृष्णं आलोकये श्री बालकृष्णं सखियानंद सुंदर तांडव कृष्णं आलोकये श्री बालकृष्णं आलोकये श्री बालकृष्णं सखियानंद सुंदर तांडव कृष्णं आलोकये श्री बालकृष्णं आलोकये श्री बालकृष्णं सखियानंद सुंदर तांडव कृष्णं आलोकये श्री बालकृष्णं सखियानंद सुंदर तांडव कृष्णं आलोकये श्री बालकृष्णं सखियानंद सुंदर तांडव कृष्णं आलोकये श्री बालकृष्णं बालकृष्णं बालकृष्णं
तद्दन्न दन्न तज्जन्न दन्न तज्जन्न तद्दन्न दन्न तज्जन्न तंगडतक दरगिडतक दिनतक तद्दन्न दन्न तज्जन्न दन्न तज्जन्न तद्दन्न दन्न तज्जन्न तंगडतक दरगिडतक दिनतक तद्दन्न दन्न तज्जन्न तंगडतक दरगिडतक दिन तज्जन्न जन्न तद्दन्न तंगडतक दरगिडतक दिन तंगडतक दरगिडतक दिन तंगडतक दरगिडतक दिन तक दरगिडतक दिन तक दरगिडतक दिन दरगिडतक दत्त तद्दी दन्न तद्दी गिಣ್ಣ ತಂದ ತದ್ದಿ ದಣ್ಣ ತದ್ದಿ ಗಿಣ್ಣ ತಂದ ತದ್ದಿ ದಣ್ಣ ಕಿಡತಕ ದರಗಿಡತ ತಕ್ ಕಿಡತಕ ದರಗಿಡತ ತಕ್ ದಿಕ್ ಕಿಡತಕ ದರಗಿಡತ
गोवत्स वृंद पालक कृष्णं गोवत्स वृंद पालक कृष्णं कृत गोपिका बालक खेलन कृष्णं गोवत्स वृंद पालक कृष्णं गोवत्स वृंद पालक कृष्णं कृत गोपिका बालक खेलन कृष्णं गोवत्स वृंद पालक कृष्णं गोवत्स वृंद पालक कृष्णं कृत गोपिका बालक खेलन कृष्णं गोवत्स वृंद पालक कृष्णं गोवत्स वृंद पालक कृष्णं कृत गोपिका बालक खेलन कृष्णं गोवत्स वृंद पालक कृष्णं कृत गोपिका बालक खेलन कृष्णं गोवत्स वृंद पालक कृष्णं गोवत्स वृंद पालक कृष्णं गोवत्स वृंद पालक कृष्णं गोवत्स वृंद वृन्द पालक कृष्णं गोवत्सवृन्द 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 पालक कृष्णं आलोकये श्री बालकृष्णं सखी आनन्द सुन्दर ताण्डव कृष्णं आलोकये श्री बालकृष्णं सखी आनन्द सुन्दर ताण्डव कृष्णं आलोकये श्री बालकृष्णं सखी आनन्द सुन्दर ताण्डव कृष्णं आलोकये श्री बालकृष्णं बालकृष्णं बालकृष्णं
ತರಗಿಡತಕ ದಣ್ಣತ್ತ ತರಗಿಡತಕ ದಣ್ಣತ್ತ ಜಣ್ಣು ತಾ ತಂಗಿಡತಕ ತರಗಿಡತಕ ದತ್ತ ಜಂ ತತ್ತದ್ದಿ ತಂಗಿಡತಕ ತರಗಿಡತಕ ದತ್ತ ಜಂ ತಂಗಿಡತಕ ತರಗಿಡತಕ ದಜ್ಜಂ ತತ್ತಂಗಿಡತಕ ತರಗಿಡತಕ ದಜ್ಜಂ ತಕ ತರಗಿಡತಕ ಜಂ ತಕ ತರಗಿಡತಕ ಜಂ ಅದ ರಿಂಗ್ ಗೆಣ್ ನ ತುಂ ಅದ ದಿಂಗ್ ಗೆಣ್ ನ ತುಂ ಅದ ದಿಂಗ್ ಗೆಣ್ ನ ತುಂ ತದ್ದಿಂಗೆಣ್ಣ ತಂದಜ್ಜಂ ತದ್ದಿಂಗೆಣ್ಣ ತಂದದ್ದಿಂಗೆಣ್ಣ ತಂದಜ್ಜಂ ತದ್ದಿಂಗೆಣ್ಣ ತುಂ ತಕದಿಂಗೆಣ್ಣ ತುಂ ತರಗಿಡಿಂಗೆಣ್ಣ ತುಂ
ಚರಣಾನಿ ಕ್ವಣಿತ ನೂಪುರ ಕೃಷ್ಣಂ ಚರಣಾನಿ ಕ್ವಣಿತ ನೂಪುರ ಕೃಷ್ಣಂ ಕರಕಲಿತ ಸಂಗತ ಕನಕ ಕಂಕಣ ಕೃಷ್ಣಂ ಚರಣಾನಿ ಕ್ವಣಿತ ನೂಪುರ ಕೃಷ್ಣಂ ಚರಣಾನಿ ಕ್ವಣಿತ ನೂಪುರ ಕೃಷ್ಣಂ ಕರಕಲಿತ ಸಂಗತ ಕನಕ ಕಂಕಣ ಕೃಷ್ಣಂ ಕರಕಲಿತ ಸಂಗತ ಕನಕ ಕಂಕಣ ಕೃಷ್ಣಂ ಚರಣಾನಿ ಕ್ವಣಿತ ನೂಪುರ ಕೃಷ್ಣಂ ಚರಣಾನಿ ಕ್ವಣಿತ ನೂಪುರ ಕೃಷ್ಣಂ ಕರಕಲಿತ ಸಂಗತ ಕನಕ ಕಂಕಣ ಕೃಷ್ಣಂ ಕರಕಲಿತ ಸಂಗತ ಕನಕ ಕಂಕಣ ಕೃಷ್ಣಂ ಚರಣಾನಿ ಕ್ವಣಿತ ನೂಪುರ ಕೃಷ್ಣಂ ಚರಣಾನಿ ಕ್ವಣಿತ ನೂಪುರ ಕೃಷ್ಣಂ ಕರಕಲಿತ ಸಂಗತ ಕನಕ ಕಂಕಣ ಕೃಷ್ಣಂ ಕರಕಲಿತ ಸಂಗತ ಕನಕ ಕಂಕಣ ಕೃಷ್ಣಂ ಚರಣಾನಿ ಕ್ವಣಿತ ನೂಪುರ ಕೃಷ್ಣಂ ಕರಕಲಿತ ಸಂಗತ ಕನಕ ಕಂಕಣ ಕೃಷ್ಣಂ చరణాని క్వణిత నూపుర కృష్ణం 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 కరకలిత సంగత కనక కంకణ కృష్ణం చరణని క్వణిత నూపుర కృష్ణం కరకలిత సంగత కనక కంకణ కృష్ణం చరణని క్వణిత నూపుర కృష్ణం చరణని క్వణిత నూపుర కృష్ణం చరణని క్వణిత నూపుర కృష్ణం కరకలిత సంగత కనక కంకణ కృష్ణం చరణని క్వణిత నూపుర 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 కృష్ణం కరకలిత సంగత కనక కంకణ కృష్ణం చరణని క్వణిత నూపుర కృష్ణం
తద్దిద్రిగిట తగిట తజ్జం దండం తద్రుం తజ్జం దండం తద్రుం తకుందరిదాం తగదిద్రిగిట తగిట తజ్జం దండం తద్రుం తజ్జం దండం తద్రుం తకుందరిదై తద్దిద్రిగిట తగిట తజ్జం తకుందరితాం తగదిద్రిగిట తగిట తకజం తకుందరిదై తద్దిద్రిగిటజం తగదిద్రిగిటకజం ద్రిగిటజం ద్రిగిటజం ద్రిగిటకజం ద్రిగిటకజం ద్రిగిటజం 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 తద్రిగిటజం ద్రిగిటజం జం తద్దిం ఎన్నత్తం తదింగణ తదక్క తద్దిం ఎన్నత్తం తగదదింగణ తదక్క దిక్కు తద్దిం ఎన్నత్తం తగదికు తదింగణ తదద్ది తద్రిగిటజం 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 ద్రిగిటజం జం తద్దిం ఎన్నత్తం తదింగణ తదక్క తద్దిం ఎన్నత్తం తగదదింగణ తదక్క దిక్కు తద్దిం ఎన్నత్తం తగదికు తదింగణ తదద్ది ద్రిగిటజం ద్రిగిటజం తద్రిగిటజం తదింగణ 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 తదక తదింగణ తదక తదింగణ తదక తదింగణ తదకదికు తదింగణ తదకదికు తదింగణ తదకదికు తదింగణ తద
చరణని క్వణిత నూపుర కృష్ణం కరకలిత సంగత కనక కంకణ కృష్ణం ఆలోకయే శ్రీ బాలకృష్ణం సఖియానంద సుందర తాండవ కృష్ణం ఆలోకయే శ్రీ బాలకృష్ణం సఖియానంద సుందర తాండవ కృష్ణం ఆలోకయే శ్రీ బాలకృష్ణం బాలకృష్ణం బాలకృష్ణం
ధిం త ధిం త ధిం త త ధిం త త ధిం
నంద సునందాది వందిత కృష్ణం वरद कृष्णं नारायण तीर्थ वरद कृष्णं नारायण तीर्थ वरद कृष्णं कृष्णं नन्दसुनन्दादि वन्दित कृष्णं नारायण तीर्थ वरद कृष्णं नारायण तीर्थ वरद कृष्णं नारायण तीर्थ वरद कृष्णं आलोकये बालकृष्णं आनन्द सुन्दर ताण्डव कृष्णं कृष्णं कृष्णं
We conclude today's performance with Synergy. Synergy is a creative concept of nritta or pure dance, which blends the traditional foundations of Kuchipudi with contemporary ideas. Performed by Ankita Durvasula, Ramya Durvasula, Pragnya Tamire, and Devika Valiyal.
the Kaliniti Dance Group. And I'd like to introduce the artistic director, Anuradha Nehru. Kaliniti Dance. Thank you all so much for coming. They were beautiful dancers. Thank you all so much for coming, and please join us September 11th at noon. Los Tex-Maniacs, a conjunto dance band, will be playing here. So thanks very much. Bye-bye.
This has been a presentation of the Library of Congress. Visit us at loc.gov.